Hello, I'm Dr. Rakesh Uke, MD Medicine. Let's see cough treatment. Avoid dust, smoke, allergens, cold, dry cough syrups, dextromethorphan, codeine, chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine. Productive cough syrups, guaifenesin, bromhexine, ambroxol. Bronchodilators, salbutamol, terbutaline. Please come to clinic before start treatment. Specific treatments: H1N1 influenza, capsule oseltamivir 75 mg BD, COPD, antibiotics azithromycin, O2 inhalation, nebulization, bronchodilators, steroids, pulmonary TB, ATT, strop drug like AC inhibitor, ARB, asthma, O2 inhalation, nebulization, bronchodilator, and steroid, pneumonia, azithromycin 500 OD, levofloxacin 500 mg OD to 750. Heart failure like diuretics, ARNI, sacubitril, valsartan, and supportive care. GRD, stop fatty spicy food, tomatoes, citrus, chocolates, pantoprazole 40 mg OD, surgical fundoplication, etc.